We know how to store values and variables and use them. But, what if you want to take some values from the user? In this way your program will be interactive and flexible. Let's see how we can take input from the user in Python. Input is used in Python to take inputs from the user. Just like print, input is also a built-in function. My input var is the variable which will store the value entered by the user. The input function accepts a string that will be shown to the user when called. The output of the program will look like. Besides which a user can enter a value. If we add print my input var, after the previous code, the program will return the value of my input var in the output window. What will you do if someone asks you to add two numbers? You will ask them to provide two numbers, say 5 and 6. Perform the addition operation, i.e. calculate 5 plus 6 which is equal to 11. Tell them the result, 11. Right? We do the same thing when writing program to add two numbers. Let's write a program which takes two numbers as inputs from the user and adds them. The program also has to print the result to the screen. What we need. A variable to hold the first number, let's call it num1. Another variable to hold the second number, let's call it num2. A third variable to store sum of num1 and num2, let it be sum. What else? Input and print functions. Plus operator to perform addition and equals operator to store the result. Let's begin. Can you guess the output of the above program? The first line asks the user to enter the first number. The second line asks the user to enter the second number. And the third line prints the sum of the first and second number. Similarly, we can write programs for subtraction, multiplication, division, or any other mathematical operation we wish to do. Keep in mind that the input function will wait for the user until a value is entered. We learned input is used to take users' input. Also, we learned how to utilize values stored in variables to perform operations and print the result to the screen.